In this video, you will learn where to find the best paying focus groups and how to improve your odds of qualifying for a focus group. Hi guys, my name is Stan and I'm the founder of Stansgigs. If you are new, welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. Okay, so after doing some research you decided you would like to participate in a focus group and wondering where you can actually find good paying focus groups? That, my friend, is the reason behind Stansgigs' existence. You see, market research companies spend an arm and a leg recruiting the right panel participants. The cost of finding people like you can run a company between $3,000 to $10,000 for each session. The reason it's so expensive is because many of the applicants don't fit the required criteria, and some of these criteria are super hard to satisfy. For a while I was working in the call center hiring focus group participants. About 1 in 10 phone calls filled the required quota, and it was not a fun job. So my hope is to change that with Stansgigs. My hope is to give you a nice and steady flow of legit focus groups, and every week we look through hundreds of available groups and bring you only the best of the best. So how do you get started? The first step is to register for our newsletter. We will send you some focus groups weekly. They are the ones that you can do online. I will add the sign-up link to the video description. Secondly, look out for the listings of focus groups near you. This is a portion of our site where we list a lot more than you would receive in a newsletter. And thirdly, take a look at our list of online market research firms. We list them by city so that you can look at the best local focus groups that require your physical presence. Remember that I said that only 1 out of 10 people I called had qualified for the focus group? Don't get discouraged by that. Here's how you can improve your odds. Firstly, apply to multiple groups. You will increase your odds if you apply to more than one, and it usually takes 3 to 6 minutes to fill out a qualification survey. Also, apply early. The focus groups tend to fill out fast, especially the less specific quotas. So say a researcher wants to conduct 2 focus groups where 10 participants are customers of a McDonald's and 10 participants that frequent a small local burger place. It will be fairly easy to find the first 10 that are customers of a McDonald's and quite more difficult to get the other 10. So if you apply earlier, you have better chances of getting in. Another pro tip is to not engage with groups in the industry you work in. Researchers don't want industry insiders to participate because they usually are biased. You will automatically be disqualified, so don't waste your time. Also, apply for a few lower paying groups. Many focus groups advertise high compensation because it is likely very difficult for them to find the right person. So if you have a hard time qualifying for $150 studies, apply for a few that offer $60 for an hour of your participation. And no matter what you do, don't lie in the application. As tempting as it is, it's simply not worth it. It is likely that inconsistencies will be discovered and you will waste your time and researchers' time. That's it for now. If you found this video useful, please click the like button. If you have any other tips or questions, please comment below. I'll read all of your comments. And if you're still watching, you're awesome.